Hey guys, it's Brandon, and today I'm back at it again with a brand review this time, and I'm going to be talking about the Papichulo And today I'm going to be talking about the Papichulo Style brand. They have a firm hold water-based, they have a strong hold water-based, and a matte finish texture clay. Now, I'm just going to address the elephant in the room because I'm sure most of you guys are thinking this. You're probably thinking to yourself, oh great, another company that's trying to rip off Suavecito. I myself felt that way about most Orthodox, when you see a company and they come out with an Orthodox gel type, I used to think that too. But ever since I started doing reviews, I realized that, every company's trying to start off and do something new. And so what I've been doing is going into company reviews and new Orthodox style, new whatever, just new companies in general. I've been trying to go into the reviews without a biased opinion. So when Papichulo Style contacted me, I was actually interested. I like the way that their label looks. I like the Papichulo Style thing, which roughly is kind of like, in Spanish, it's kind of like slang for just like handsome or sexy, something like along those lines. I'm not very good with Spanish slang, although I can understand Spanish better than I can speak it. But I liked the label, I liked the look, and I was interested in it. So when they reached out, I said yes. And I think I'll say this just at the beginning of the review. I think that this company is I think it's better than Suavecito. I'm sorry. I said it. I know I'm going to get crucified. I just like their products better. They worked better for me. So, spoiler alert, that's that. So the scent on all three of these is, it's kind of like almost like a fresh, it smells almost kind of like almost like a cherry, kind of menthol-y smell. And a slight cologne. All of them smell very similar, although I will say the ingredients in the texture clay are a little bit different, so this one smells a little bit lighter. I don't really need to talk about the scoopability on the gel types, the Orthodox types, the firm and the strong, because to me, I feel like most gel types scoop about the same, although I will say these ones scoop out thick, and they break down nice and easy. They don't break down watery, so that is nice. The one thing I will point out is that the original on the side says that the hold is 3 out of 5, the volume is 5 out of 5, and the shine is 3 out of 5. Now, I feel like that's more of a medium than a firm. And the results I got from the original was more of a medium hold, although you could layer it into a firm. I felt like it worked like other gel types that are kind of toting like a more of a medium feel, in that towards the end of the day, I kind of had strays coming out, and just little things that were just kind of like popping out that I had to restyle. And I felt like that as an office type job or just like going out, this is better. This is a better one. It doesn't leave your hair feeling too helmet hair like. But the one thing that I like about all the Papichulo Style stuff is that even though it might go into your hair, and sometimes like with the strong, it'll feel helmet hair like, all of them wash out really easy with one wash, and they don't leave your hair feeling dry or rubbery, and I really like that. So the original, only issue I had with this is that it says it's a firm hold. I feel like it's a medium, but it works pretty good for what it's going for. The strong hold is the one that I really liked the best, especially for work. It gave me a flexible helmet hair, which when I'm using a gel type, if I do use a gel type at work, it's because I don't want to put something in and mess with it, and I just want to go. I just want to work and go. And so this kept my style the whole day. Maybe towards the very end of a 91-degree day, like what I had last week when I was trying this stuff out, this stuff maybe started to pop out a little bit, but it reactivated really easy and I could slick it back. The hold on this is 5 out of 5, the volume is 3 out of 5, and the shine is 5 out of 5. I would agree with that. This is definitely their strongest product. It'll hold all day. It works really well. Really reliable in that regards. And like I said, the best thing about it is that it washes out really, really easy, and it leaves my hair feeling great. I didn't feel like I had some sort of like lab-made orthodox product in my hair. Like I said, it didn't feel really dry. It feels good throughout the day. Also, just to show you, both the original and the Fuerte look about the same. They scoop about the same. They apply about the same. Pretty standard for an orthodox gel type. The matte finish texture clay is what I actually have in my hair today. I've been trying it out. This one, for the hold wise, is a 2 out of 5. A 5 out of 5 in volume, and the shine is a 2 out of 5. I definitely say it's more matte. Obviously, I've been sweating, and this is a lighter side product, so obviously you can't expect to get like some, you know, ridiculous hold. I've used this couple of times, and I used it in 90-degree weather. Surprisingly held up pretty well. I would say it's more on the lighter side of a medium, and you can get some decent volume with it. You can restyle it. Like, this has been in all day, and you can see I just hit it with the pick, and there you go. You know, I didn't even really mess with it that much, and I can pop this up and then you know, restyle and hit the sides. This is one of the things I really like about this matte product, is that, you know, there's some matte products that when you put them in your hair, they kind of feel like a gel type. And you'll see that restyle was really nice. You put them in your hair, they kind of feel like a gel type. And once it's in your hair, it's like it's in your hair. This stuff stays pretty easy to restyle throughout the day, which I think gives this an edge over a lot of the other matte finish texture clays that I've tried out there. Like, it doesn't feel like I put just another orthodox style in my hair. It feels easy to maneuver with, easy to restyle, and easy to use. Now, like I said, it's a lighter product. So don't expect it to do miracles, but I feel like, I mean, if I can wear it at work, I mean, I restyle, but if I can wear it at work and get some decent results, I'm pretty impressed with it. This stuff, you'll see, it's really super creamy. Even doing this, it doesn't like start to fall, but it's definitely goopy. The breakdown, and I'll show you this because it's a little bit different than the orthodox stuff. The breakdown goes away. It goes away really fast and really creamy, which is one thing that I really like about it. So what do I think about the Papichulo Style brand pomade as a whole? Well, I definitely think that the brand is a nod to Suavecito. Now, for the sake of objectivity, I did compare this company to Suavecito throughout the review, just to make some comparisons and likenesses and contrasts. However, I will say that comparing every company that makes orthodox style pomades to Suavecito is unfair. It would be like comparing every video game after Super Mario to Super Mario. Sure, Suavecito set some precedences for and some standards for the orthodox style companies as a whole, but that doesn't mean that it couldn't be improved upon or expanded upon. And I feel like the Papichulo Style as a brand expands upon some things that really needed to be expanded upon that their predecessors haven't. The original, to me, I feel like is the weakest of the brand, although it still is a good product. It was my least favorite just because I just felt like it was pretty standard orthodox medium style. Nothing really stood out other than the fact that it was easy to wash out of your hair, which I really appreciated. And I guess in that case, that does put that apart from most other products, because although most other orthodox are easy to wash out of your hair, it still leaves them feeling gross. This product doesn't. The El Fuerte is my favorite. It gives you a semi-helmet hair, orthodox style, while remaining easy to restyle if you have to, and having great endurance and great hold throughout the day without having an aggressive smell when you start to sweat. This one was the surprise of the group for me. Most orthodox style companies, Suavecito included, that put out a texture type product, it's most of them just, it feels like you have an orthodox style gel type in your hair and you can't restyle it or you can't mess with it. That is not the case with this one. Once you break this down and put it into your hair, it's easy to apply and easy to style with. But once it's in your hair, it's easy to restyle throughout the rest of the day, which I was surprised by, because most of the time it's just uncomfortable and gross to try to restyle your hair with products in this type of vein. So what would I give the Papichulo Style pomade brand as a whole? If I had to rate it, I would give it a 4.1 out of 5. I think this is a great company. I think that they do some pretty safe things with their products while also expanding upon some things that needed to be expanded upon that other companies haven't, making it, in my opinion, stand apart from other companies. If I could make recommendations, the Stronghold as well as the Texture Clay are my two favorites. If you're a fan of mediums though, this is good. Like I said, only thing that I didn't like about this is that it said it was a firm hold, and I feel like it's a medium, personally. You can layer it into a firm, but I felt like it was a medium. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comments, and have a good one, guys.